Hey guys, let's prepare everyone's favorite dish today, a super simple classic, the grilled cheese sandwich. The first important step is to get your butter to room temperature so that it's easier to spread. Just leave your butter outside for 30 minutes. Heat the pan to either medium or medium-high heat. If the pan is too high, there's a good chance the sandwich will burn. If you followed these steps correctly, you should have a perfect grilled cheese sandwich, evenly browned and crispy on the outside, gooey cheese on the inside. So good!